All right, so our new intervention slide. So we're going to label the exponent given and then solve for its given value. So we're going to label this, and the first thing, remember this big bottom part, the bottom is our base. So this is our base. So you're going to drag that right over to the base. You're going to drag this base right up here, which leaves the part that is raised as the exponent. Now, when we solve this, let's see here. When we solve this, we have, remember, the base is the number we're going to write, and this exponent is going to be the number of times we see it. We see it 2 times. That means 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is going to equal 9. So your answer here is 9. 9. Let's take a look over here. Which expanded form represents 5 to the 3rd power? Remember, that means we see that base 5 and we see it 3 times. 5, 5, 5, and we multiply. So which one of these is multiplying? This is adding, so not that one. That's 5 times 3. No, no, no. Not 15. That is when you 5 times 3. It is going to be 5 times 5 times 5. Woohoo! All right, now the value of 6 squared, or 6 to the 2nd power. So 6 to the 2nd power means 6 times 6, and that is 36. So 6 times 6, that's 36. Now, which of these has a greater value, which means bigger? So 5 to the 3rd power, that means 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. Let's see, 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 10 squared means 10 times 10. That's 100. And 3 to the 4th power means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is going to be 27. Times 3 is going to be 81. All right, now, which of these is bigger or greater? Greater value, bigger. It's going to be A, 5 to the 3rd power. That's going to be it for our little intervention slide. Great job!